I am Gunjan Seni Bradshaw, your host for the evening. It's been my pleasure to host you for this evening on Now is the time for the most powerful, dynamic actor. Hindi cinema's most charismatic actor, the man who definitely needs no introduction, Mr. Salman Khan, guys. A huge round of applause for Mr. Khan. Thank you so much.
We have an opportunity for photo ops later, but I think we start with the
Photo opportunity?
later.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Media guys, we would request you to please take a comfortable seat. We do have an opportunity for you to take a picture, but that would be coming later on. Let's get started with the event. Should we settle down? Awesome. Filmfare has been a definitive brand in Indian cinema for over 70 years. It has been the go-to source for entertainment enthusiasts, offering the latest updates on show business and celebrity lifestyle. Filmfare is a part of Worldwide Media, a Times Group company which houses other renowned brands like Femina, Grazia, Good Homes, Home and Design Trends, among others. The Filmfare Awards, which recognizes the best artistic and technical talent in Indian cinema, have been a benchmark of merit in the industry since its inception in 1954. Today, Filmfare not only has a strong presence in the Hindi film industry, but also across Marathi, Bangla, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam entertainment industries. In 2020, Filmfare ventured into the Indian OTT entertainment space, making the iconic Black Lady the most sought-after symbol of recognition across the entertainment industry in India. The Filmfare Awards have been an integral part of Indian cinema, and over the years, they have been instrumental in shaping and defining the industry's standards. The award ceremony is eagerly awaited each year by the film fraternity, fans, and viewers alike, as it celebrates the best of Indian cinema. We are thrilled to welcome all of you today as we unveil our exciting plans for the 68th edition of prestigious Filmfare Awards. This event promises to be an unforgettable celebration of Indian cinema and its gifted stars, showcasing the very best that Hindi cinema has to offer. With our title partner, Hyundai Motor India, and destination partner Maharashtra Tourism on board, we are proud to present a grander and more spectacular award ceremony than ever before, recognizing and honoring the finest talents of the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a night which is going to be very difficult to forget. Now it's time to introduce you to us, our esteemed partners without whom the show would have not been possible. Hyundai Motor India Limited is India's first smart mobility solutions provider and has been instrumental in transforming lives of Indian customers for more than 2 decades. They are #1 car exporter since their inception and are India's most loved car brand. Talking about our destination partner, Maharashtra Tourism. Maharashtra is a land of diverse cultures, landscapes, and traditions, located in the western region of India, home to India's bustling fashion capital, Mumbai. Maharashtra offers a unique blend of modernity and ancient heritage. Maharashtra Tourism offers visitors a plethora of options to explore the state's natural beauty. 720 kilometers of scenic beaches, wildlife, cultural heritage, and culinary delights. Some of Maharashtra's gems include the Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, Ganpati Phule, Tarkarli Beach, famous for snorkeling and scuba diving, the twin UNESCO World Heritage Sites of Ajanta and Ellora, and the popular hill stations of Bandardara, Amboli, and many more. From cosmopolitan cities to serene beaches, from ancient fortresses to modern architecture, Maharashtra is a land of endless tourism opportunities waiting to be discovered. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our esteemed partners and representatives of FilmFare. Well, I would now request our dignitaries to please step forward and light the lamp as we commence a new and momentous journey in our 68-year-old legacy.